Electrical power is the product of voltage and current. So far we have only discussed voltage. Today we will begin a multi-video discussion on current. In this video we will answer the following 3 questions. As the diagram shows, any current flowing from the power supply must pass through the cable and connector before reaching our device. Consequently, the current limit for our device must be less than the limits of the connector, the cable, and the power supply. What are these limits? The official specification documents are available from usb.org/documents. Let's open the cable and connector specification now. This specification was initially released in 2014, had a major update in 2019, and has gone through some minor revisions through October 2024. This is a supplemental specification that focuses on USB Type-C receptacles, plugs, and cables. A USB Type-C power supply, also known as a source, will advertise its current limit, and the device, also known as a sink, must manage its load to stay below the advertised limit. A source not using power delivery will advertise one of 3 limits: default, 1.5 amps, or 3.0 amps. An important detail is that this current limit can change at any time during the connection. For example, the initial advertised current limit might be 3.0 amps, then get downgraded to 1.5 amps after 1 minute, and then get upgraded to 3.0 amps after 5 minutes. The sink must adjust accordingly. A second important detail is that the default current limit can be one of 3 values: 500 milliamps, 900 milliamps, or 1500 milliamps. In section 2.4 it is stated that only the default limit is mandatory. Receptacles are rated at 5 amps, and standard cables are rated for 3 amps. Lastly, in section 4.6, it is stated that precedence decreases from 3.0 amps to 1.5 amps to default. Additionally, the default USB power box inside the mode of operation column indicates that when the source advertises default, it does not communicate the exact limit, 500 milliamps, 900 milliamps, or 1500 milliamps. Thus, because the default limit is mandatory, the safest choice is to use a limit of 500 milliamps for the default advertisement, regardless of whether the source follows USB 2.0 or USB 3.2. In conclusion, our circuit needs to follow this decision tree. Based on our review of the specification, we now have answers to our 3 questions. In the next video we will look at how the source and sink communicate and agree on the current limit.